Okay, we're going to test the LJM L150W B4 amplifier board. This amp has 6 transistors, 3 on each side. Let's look at this is an IRP 50N. Okay, so this is input coupling cap. So this is the value of the 3.9 UF. We have some lithic capacitor here. A lilon. It's not lithic, it's lilon. Okay, so I already have the amp connected here, so we're going to test this one. The power supply for this amp is can work from dual 12 volts up to dual 65 volts. For this test, I'm going to use this power supply here. This one, it's set to dual 60 volts. I'm going to check the maximum power output of the amp. I'm going to increase the input to the amp now and check its THD. So this is our input signal here, 1 kHz. Okay, so that is the maximum power output of the amp at 1% HD. So we have our meter here set to 1%. So that is about 1% HD, and that is 107 volts peak to peak at 8 ohms load. So that is 107 divide 2.828 squared divide 8. So that is around 179 watts RMS, 8 ohms load, using a dual 60 volts power supply. I'll be back after I change this to 4 ohms load. Okay, so I have now hooked up the amp to our 4 ohms dummy load here. So I'm going to increase the input of the amp now and check the maximum power output at 1% HD. The amplifier turned off. You can see here the voltage output of the power supply dropped to 0.5 volts and it's pulling 1.5 watt. Yeah, 1.5 watt is our current limit. It's actually pulling 3 amperes. Looks like something happened to the amp. Let's see, let's turn off the power supply first. Okay, so let's not tap into this amp here. Just remove this power supply clip here. Check what happened to this amp here. So we are in continuity mode. So we have a short from the positive rail to the negative rail. So looks like this inter transistor is shorted. Okay, so looks like either one of these transistor is shorted. This amp is looks like this amp does not like 4 ohms load using dual 60 volts power supply. So unfortunately, I'm gonna continue this test using 4 ohms load. I will try to fix this amp. I will try to order this transistor and fix this one. For now, I cannot recommend this amplifier. It looks like this amplifier is pretty unreliable, and this amp is also a little bit expensive. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. So I have 2 of this. I have also tested the other one, and it also failed. So this one, this transistor here is shorted. Also this one. So either or both of them is shorted, and this is the other one that failed too. Looks like there's a reliability issue with this version of the amplifier. So I really could not recommend this one.